Welcome back, Lam. Okay, so in here again, I will tell you the instruction.
Sắp xếp các từ theo đúng thứ tự.
Okay, that is what you have to do here. Do you get it now?
Sắp xếp các từ theo đúng thứ tự.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your answer for one?
One answer.
Yes. Tell me your answer. What is the
Teacher,
answer here?
first, can you let me go to toilet first?
Yes, of
Because
course.
I'm
Okay. Okay, so now, Lam, can you tell me the answer for one?
I live in
No, one. One. Where?
the you live
Okay, yes. Where do you live? What about two? Two.
uh
What is the answer here, Lam? You have to unscramble to um complete or to make the sentence. I what do you think?
in
I live
in
in a
city.
very good. What about for three? What? What is the answer?
My final answer is
What is it?
like.
Okay, yes. What is it like? That's correct, Lam. Thank you so much. Now, I believe that will be all it for our class today. So, next meeting we'll have item 4. Enjoy your vacation with your family, Lam. Goodbye and stay safe.
Bye, teacher.